I started jump rope 15 years ago and struggled just like everyone else. But focusing on this one thing made the most significant difference in my growth. So follow these tips and watch your jump rope skills skyrocket faster than ever. Let's go. First, we don't want to be looking down at our feet trying to see when to jump. This destroys your balance. Like walking on a balance beam or curb, you want to look 15 feet ahead or so. This will help you stay taller, balanced, and in good position. Rope timing is not visual. It's feeling the rope through your hands, which lets you know when to jump. But you can't feel the rope if your arms are all over the place or if your rope is too light. The rope you use can make a huge difference. I have my favorite that provides great feel and feedback, linked down below. Arm positioning is key. You want your hands around hip level or at the midpoint of your body. This allows you to properly size your rope because it will have the same amount of rope going over your head as under your feet. If your hands are higher or lower, it will require extra rope length in order to clear the longer side of your body, creating inefficiency. So keep your hands by your hips or the midpoint of your body with your palms facing forwards. We also want your elbows pointing backwards. This is key to keep your arms from flaring out to the sides and getting involved with the rope rotation. Keeping our elbows pointing backwards forces rope rotation to come strictly from the wrists. The reason we want rope rotation to come from our hands and wrists is because they have far more fine motor skills for controlling our rope. This will allow you to speed up, slow down, and most of all, it keeps an extremely consistent rope path, helping eliminate tripping. If you need to adjust your hands up or down to find the midpoint of your body, simply raise or lower your hands in a straight line on the frontal plane of your body, while keeping your elbows pointing backwards. Your shoulders should be pulled slightly down, engaging your lat muscles. Don't pull them back or push them forwards because this puts you in bad position. Keep your joints stacked, shoulders over hips, hips over knees, and knees over ankles. You only need a slight bend in your knees and they should pretty much stay in the same position with only a slight flex. Your jump comes from your ankles and feet, not your knees. Learning to jump low to the ground is key for building speed and decreasing impact. Practice jumping low without your rope first and then add it in and try jumping just high enough to clear the rope. Always stay on the balls of your feet. It may look like my heels touch the ground, but there is no weight on them. It's just the flex of my ankles absorbing the landing. Staying on the balls of your feet also keeps you in an athletic position. You're probably thinking, yo, I thought there was only one thing. You just listed off like 6. Everything I just discussed falls under that one thing, and that's jump rope form. And once you nail consistent, good form, it's time to check your rope sizing, because most people get it wrong. I show you the right way in this video right here.